future. About to blast off, yeah, you could call me super. Man, I'm an icon, he lost to the clips in the game like my middle name is Luna. Hop in the cruiser, yeah, we taking off. Now you heard the rumors, yes, I got the sauce. A true needle mover, never took a loss in this game. I'm the ruler, yes, I am the boss. Nothing's gonna be the same. No, nothing's gonna be the same. Nothing's gonna be the same. Everything's about to change. Everything's about to change. Let's get it poppin', gon' light it up, yeah, quitting ain't an option. All around the world, you can see me go trotting. I'm about to blow and you know that I ain't stopping. We making moves, breaking every record, baby, this is what I do. What was written in the stars, now I'm all over the news. It's about to go down and you know I never lose, it's the truth.
It's evolution, it's evolution.
Everything's about to change.
It's evolution, it's evolution. It's evolution, it's evolution. It's evolution, it's evolution.
Everything's about to change.
Ang aking mundo ay payapa sa di malamang dahilan. At noon ay buo kong inakala lahat ay ayos na naman. Nang bigla na lang ay dumating ang di hinantay, nagbabalat kayong himala.
Hey, love. Kisha May, Tagalaya Corpus. So, love, wala na akong hihilingin pa kay Lord kundi makasama ka habang buhay at mahalin ka. Sa loob ng 5 years na yun, 4 years tayo LDR. Minsan lang sa isang taon magsama, pero hindi hadlang yun sa love natin.
Pinapangako sa iyo, ito ang aking liham sa pag-ibig ko. Di hayaan na mag-isa ka sa kahit na ano.
Today is the day that we have been waiting and praying for. Thank you for marrying me today. I really pray to God to have a lifetime with you. Salamat sa lahat ng walang sawang pagmamahal sa akin. Never kang nawala at nang iwan. Thank you so much for loving me this much.
Okay, rami ng mga bagay na hindi natin maintindihan. Sa kabila ng lahat ay pilit nating binabalikan. Mga panaginip na inaasam, ako'y binuo ng mabuti't masamang karanasan. Puno man ng mansya'y tinuring karangyaan. At ganun na lang pagmamahal mo.
And so this afternoon, we celebrate life, we celebrate love, and we celebrate marriage. And we acknowledge you in all of this because it was you who instituted marriage. It was you who is the source of love. It was you who created all of us. That's why we exist today.
Ito ang aking liham sa pag-ibig ko. Di hayaan na mag-isa ka sa kahit na ano. Ikaw lang ang himpilan ng aking puso. Sa piling mo'y panatag ang buong pagkatao. Ligaya ng
presence of Christ is a very strong factor for your marriage to remain afloat and intact, even in the midst of problems. Let Christ be a part as a central figure of your marriage. And with that, it is not only a wish that we all have for you, but it's our prayer that the both of you would really seriously put your hearts and minds at the very life and person of Jesus Christ.
Pagtingin sa nakaraan, di gunitang tunay.
Salamat sa mga oras na may pinagdadaanan ko sa buhay, na sobrang down ako, nandyan ka lagi para sa akin. And if I had to choose one person to spend for the rest of my life, I would choose you kahit ano pa sabihin nila, ito pa rin ang pipiliin ko.
I promise to never give up on us and spend my life building the family that you have always prayed for. You are my greatest gift, my greatest blessing. When we stumble, I will kneel with you with prayer, knowing our strength comes not from ourselves, but from Him who brought us together. I promise to choose you every day, that from now on and forever, it will always be you. I love you.